Yo, what up, family? I want to go ahead and get you caught up. We got this EU HFX swipe trade. So quite simply, they gave you the price, boom, 582, expiration price of a minute, fixed time on, 1 minute time frame. Gave us the markup, how it's gonna look online. Boom, told us to wait until this point, 582, and let's check out. Let's see the results. So this signal was called for a put, which means it's a forecast that the market is going in a downward direction for 1 minute. So each of these candles was a minute. So this is a pretty quick trade. You had to pretty much be at your laptop or at your phone ready and prepared to take this trade. At the same time, though, price did take time to hit this level. But when it did hit the level, it did actually go in the opposite direction. And boom, there you can see that's a clear on the candle chart. Most people haven't seen really use that, but I switch it over to the line chart. There you go. Boom, clear, little 8 biddies. We out of here. Peace.